What happens when you fast for 24 hours? Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll explore fasting and what happens to your body if you do it for 24 hours. But before we do, please subscribe to our channel for more health tips. Moving on, fasting is simply abstaining from food and calorie-containing beverages for a specific period. It's not a diet, but rather a metabolic switch that shifts the body's reliance from glucose to stored fat for energy. This switch can help in managing weight and improving overall metabolic health. So today, we will delve into the fascinating metabolic shifts that occur at different intervals of a 24-hour fast. We will explore how these changes can benefit our health and contribute to a longer, healthier life. During the first 6 hours, your body primarily relies on stored glucose called glycogen for energy. This glycogen is a quick and easily accessible fuel source that keeps your body functioning smoothly. As you eat, your body converts excess glucose into glycogen and stores it in the liver and muscles. This process ensures that you have a reserve of energy that can be tapped into when needed, especially during periods of fasting or intense physical activity. When you fast, the body starts breaking down this glycogen, releasing glucose into the bloodstream to fuel your cells. This breakdown process is essential for maintaining your energy levels and keeping you alert and active. Insulin, a hormone that regulates blood sugar levels, declines as glycogen stores deplete. This drop in insulin signals to the body that it's time to shift from burning sugar to burning fat for fuel. This metabolic switch is a crucial aspect of fasting as it helps the body utilize stored fat, leading to potential weight loss and other health benefits. Around this time, you might experience mild hunger pangs as your body adjusts. These sensations are normal and typically subside as your body becomes more efficient at using fat for energy. However, it's important to note that individual experiences may vary depending on factors like activity level, metabolism, and previous eating patterns. In fact, some people may find the transition easier, while others might need more time to adapt. That's why staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water or herbal teas during this phase is crucial. Proper hydration supports your body's metabolic processes and can help alleviate some of the discomfort associated with fasting. As glycogen reserves dwindle, usually between 6 and 12 hours into the fast, your body enters a metabolic state called ketosis. In ketosis, the liver begins converting stored fat into ketones, an alternative fuel source for the brain and muscles. This metabolic shift is accompanied by a rise in growth hormone levels. Growth hormone plays a vital role in preserving muscle mass and promoting fat breakdown. As your body becomes more efficient at utilizing fat for energy, you'll likely experience decreased hunger and increased mental clarity. This phase marks the transition from sugar burner to fat burner as your body adapts to a different fuel source and optimizes its metabolic machinery. Between 12 and 18 hours, your body is in full ketosis, efficiently burning fat for energy. That means ketone levels in your bloodstream continue to rise, fueling your brain and muscles. This state is often linked to sustained energy levels and improved cognitive function. Hormonal changes continue to support fat breakdown and reduce inflammation. For instance, levels of the hormone adiponectin, which improves insulin sensitivity and protects against heart disease, may increase. Remember that listening to your body is crucial. If you experience any discomfort beyond mild hunger pangs, it's essential to break your fast and consult with a healthcare professional. As you approach the 18 to 24-hour mark, a fascinating process called autophagy ramps up. Autophagy, meaning self-eating, is the body's way of cleaning house on a cellular level. It's a natural process where your cells break down and recycle damaged components, promoting cellular rejuvenation. During autophagy, damaged proteins are removed, contributing to overall cellular health. This process is believed to play a role in preventing age-related diseases and promoting longevity. This phase of fasting highlights the body's incredible ability to heal and repair itself when given the opportunity. In the final hours of a 24-hour fast, cortisol levels, a stress hormone, may slightly increase. Cortisol also plays a role in releasing stored energy, ensuring your body has enough fuel to function. This hormone helps mobilize energy reserves, making sure you have the stamina to get through the final stretch of your fast. Now, when breaking your fast, it's essential to do so gradually and mindfully. Your body has been in a state of rest and repair, and it needs time to adjust to the reintroduction of food. Opt for easily digestible foods like fruits, vegetables, or bone broth. These foods are gentle on your digestive system and provide essential nutrients without overwhelming your stomach. Avoid consuming a large meal immediately, as this can lead to discomfort and negate some of the benefits of fasting. In other words, breaking your fast thoughtfully allows your body to transition back to digesting food smoothly. Eating slowly and choosing the right foods can enhance the positive effects of your fasting period, leaving you feeling energized and satisfied. As you can see, a 24-hour fast offers many potential benefits, ranging from weight management to cellular rejuvenation. It promotes metabolic switching, enhances fat burning, and kickstarts cellular repair processes. Moreover, it can improve insulin sensitivity, reduce inflammation, and potentially lower the risk of chronic diseases. This simple practice can have a profound impact on your metabolic and cellular health. Remember, it's always advisable to consult with your healthcare provider before embarking on any fasting regimen, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Remember that while fasting can be a powerful tool for weight loss, it's crucial to approach it gradually, especially for beginners. Starting with shorter fasts, such as a 12-hour overnight fast, can help your body adapt. Gradually increasing the fasting window allows your body to adjust to using fat for fuel and minimizes potential discomfort. Remember, sustainability is key. Find a fasting schedule that fits your lifestyle and preferences. It's essential to combine fasting with a balanced diet and regular exercise for optimal weight management and overall health. Also, not everyone can practice a 24-hour fast right away. Individuals with certain medical conditions, such as diabetes, should consult their doctor before fasting. Pregnant or breastfeeding women, as well as children and adolescents, should avoid prolonged fasting. It's crucial to listen to your body and stop fasting if you experience any severe discomfort. Fasting should be a personalized experience. Experiment with different fasting protocols and durations to find what works best for you. The bottom line is that a 24-hour fast is a metabolic journey that takes your body through a series of remarkable adaptations. From glycogen depletion to ketosis and enhanced autophagy, fasting triggers a cascade of beneficial physiological responses. While the science behind fasting is fascinating, the most crucial aspect is listening to your body. Pay attention to how you feel during and after a fast. Adjust your fasting schedule or break your fast if needed. Remember, fasting is a tool that can optimize your health and well-being when used safely and effectively. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video, and subscribe if you haven't already. See you in the next video.